Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to close your Spotify account using the mobile app. If you're ready to say goodbye to Spotify, this step-by-step guide will help you do it properly. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss anything. Open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Tap your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Then scroll down and tap on Account. After that, look for the option called Close Your Account and tap on it. Tap the button that says Continue to close your account. Now, check the box that says you understand what closing your account means. Tap Continue to close your account once again. Spotify will now send a confirmation email to your inbox. Finally, open your email, find the message from Spotify, and click the Close Account link inside to confirm. And that's it. Your Spotify account will now be closed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more guides. See you in the next video.